Well, hello everybody and welcome to Lone Star Trapper. I'm Jerry and today is September 1st, so you know what that means? We're dove hunting. So let's go get to it. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Well, that's going to do it for this morning's hunt. Say, I'm tired, my shoulder's sore. I think I'm going to have to drag out the old 20 gauge and start using it. I guess I'm getting too old. That's something funny. I was thinking about it a while ago. I've been dove hunting now for 50 years. This makes 50 years. Boy, that'll make you feel old quick. But right now I'm fixing to show you how I clean these birds, and I'll be right back. This is how I clean my dove. See right here, the breast comes right here to a point, and just like that, both sides of it right to a point, and you can feel it with your thumb. Take your thumb and stick right there and you'll feel a point. You just take your thumb, push into it, just like that. Now just turn it out. Just like that. All of it will come off. Look, whoa, man, he's been eating the grain. And then I got me some game scissors here, and all I'm gonna do is just clip that wing off. Just like that. Now, get all this off at one time, skin and everything. Just roll it right off. There you go. And there is your dove breast. See right there, I hit that one in the breast. Hopefully the BB went through it. And now, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna set it in some water they brought. I'll wash them off as soon as I get through here. And I wound up with more dove than I thought. I didn't think I had 7 or 8 dove. I had 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The one I just done is 12. Of course, it took me 2 boxes of shells to do it. I can't hit water falling out of a boat anymore. That's what I get for not practicing. Alright, here we go. Watch. See, right there's the point. Run my thumb in there, fold it back, Pull it off. Stretch that wing out. A little clip. Little clip. And now I'm just going to peel it off. Skin and all. Once I get a bunch more of these, I'll have a big dove fry there at the house, so I'll videotape that and put it on here too. Right into the water. One more time. There's the point. Right inside. Fold it back. Pull it out. Take your scissors. Clip. Clip. Now just roll it off. And that, wow, is how I do my dove. Just like that. Oh. Alright, well, thank y'all for watching. I ask you to please hit the like, subscribe button. I need viewers bad. Feathers flying everywhere still. So help me out, help me grow my channel. We'll see you on the next one.